So just a short video on setting the MoleSlayer. Normally we're going to do this out in the field and within the excavated tunnel. I'm doing it in the office today just to give you a little bit better feel for how I approach it. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to make sure that the trigger is not on the wrong side of the spring like this is. So we're just going to bend it back and make sure it's in the right place. We want it centered within the trap if we can. The way I like to set these is I like to use the heel of my hand on one side. I'm taking my fingers from my other side of my hand, and then sometimes I'll even use my thumb and my fingers of the other hand, and then I'm going to drive this open into the tunnel. And as I'm doing that, that pin is falling down. From there, I can just take my thumb and roll my thumb across there, lift up the trigger pan with my thumb. The thumb will hold it in place pretty well. And that's how you go ahead and set a MoleSlayer.